Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the delivery address on the H&M app. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the H&M app on your Android device. Now, once you do that, go ahead and tap on the account icon typically located at the bottom of the screen. Now, if I click on this account icon, the entire screen is going to go blank, and that's because H&M is security sensitive. There's a particular unique ID code that they don't want you to copy. So go ahead and tap on the account icon, and once you tap on it, it's just right after the log icon. If you're not already logged in, log in with your username and password. Once you do that, in your account dashboard, go ahead and tap on account. Then select the address book from the menu. And let me just go ahead and click on that. So you see my screen has already gone blank because I've tapped on the account, but I'm going to show you what to do here. So you have three options here: orders, H&M membership, and you have settings. Now select settings. Once you set on settings, it's going to take you to this window where you have please complete profile to endpoint, you have edit information, and you have add a new address. So go ahead and select add new address and enter the required details. So you can click on add delivery address and select add billing address depending on the one that you want. So you can add delivery address and add billing address. To edit an existing address, just tap on the address you wish to modify and make the necessary changes and save. After adding or editing your addresses, you can set your preferred delivery address as the default. This ensures that future orders are shipped to your preferred address. Let me take it out so at least you can see something. Now, changing the delivery address for an existing order is not possible once the order has been placed. To update the delivery address for a new order, ensure that your preferred address is set as the default in your address book. Always double check the delivery address before confirming your order to avoid any shipping issues. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.